In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VoiceOver in Lumen5. First, open your browser and log into Lumen5. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where your project lives. Using a modern browser like Chrome helps the editor and audio tools run smoothly. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and open the project you want to work on. This takes you into the editor where you can see your scenes, text, media, and timeline. Before adding audio, give your storyboard a quick review. Check that your text is readable, your visuals are in the right order, and the pacing leaves room for your narration. A clean structure now will make your voiceover sound natural later. On the left sidebar of the editor, look for the voice option and click it. This opens the voiceover panel where you'll manage or create your narration. Take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see controls for adding audio, previewing it alongside your video, and adjusting levels so your voice sits comfortably above any background music. If you already have music in the project, consider lowering its volume slightly to give your voice clarity. Here you can either upload a voiceover file or record a new one. If you're uploading, prepare a clean audio file in a common format like MP3, WAV, or M4A. Aim for consistent volume and minimal background noise. Click Upload, select your file, and let Lumen5 process it. Once it appears in the panel, add it to your timeline and listen through with the preview. If a section feels rushed or too slow, adjust your scene duration so visuals match your words. Small timing tweaks make a big difference. If you'd rather record directly in Lumen5, click Record. Your browser may ask for microphone access. Allow it and choose the mic you want to use. Do a quick level check by speaking at your normal volume. You want a strong signal without peaking. When you're ready, hit record and narrate at a steady pace, pausing briefly between sentences to give your edits room to breathe. When you stop, your take will appear in the panel. Trim the start or end if needed, rename it to stay organized, and set it as your project's voiceover. Play it back with your video and fine-tune scene timing or volume. If something doesn't sound right, don't hesitate to re-record a section. Clean narration is worth the extra minute. When everything lines up and sounds clear, preview the full project from start to finish. Save your changes and you're done. Your voiceover is now part of your Lumen5 edit.